White Dolphin by Gil Lewis, Chapter 35. In chapter number 34, we saw that Kara and Felix decide to follow Jake and Ethan in Felix's boat, who had set out for sailing in Moana just to tease Kara, and he even did not take care that there was a heavy storm in the ocean. So Kara and Felix, they decide that they should follow them in order to save their life, in order to save Moana. So once they start sailing in the ocean, they ask Daisy to go to Merry Mermaid, where Kara's father works, and tell Kara's dad to call coast guards, as the weather was extremely bad, storm was expected, and lives of Jake and Ethan were in danger. In chapter number 35, we see Felix and Kara following Moana, which was being sailed by Jake and Ethan. Heavy rain was falling along with strong wind and high tides in ocean. It seemed it would be hard for small boat to sail in the ocean. So definitely it was very difficult for Jake and Ethan to sail in Moana in that terrible weather. Kara realizes that it was stupid to follow Jake and Ethan. Jake seemed struggling to sail Moana because it was a heavy storm in the ocean. So he was struggling to sail Moana, and while struggling, Jake fell in the ocean. That's very important. It was only Jake who knew how to sail. Ethan did not. So Jake had fallen in the ocean. So in the boat, it is only Ethan left. The tides, they were too high. And at the same time, Felix and Kara, they were following Jake and Ethan. While Ethan did not know how to sail, therefore Felix steers boat towards Ethan and Moana to help Ethan. Jake, who had fallen in water, rises on the surface, struggling to save himself. Felix swings the boat towards Jake. He rises up towards the boat. Kara grabs Jake towards the boat, and just then Kara sees something white pushing Jake up. And in later chapters, we will come to know that the white thing that was pushing Jake up was Angel. Kara pushes Jake in the boat while Ethan is seen clinging to Moana. Since we know that Ethan did not know how to sail a boat, so he was simply clinging in Moana and he was unable to sail Moana. Kara gives a life jacket to Jake. In previous chapter, we saw that once they were leaving, Felix and Kara, they wore life jackets, and they took 2 extra life jackets for Jake and Ethan's. So Kara gives a life jacket to Jake and grabs another life jacket for Ethan, and she quickly jumps in Moana to save Ethan's life, and she instructs Felix to sail to shore. So in the Felix boat, there were Felix and Jake, and Kara jumps into Moana, where Ethan's was present, and he did not know how to sail boat. She tells Felix that she will sail Moana to shore with Ethan, and she tells Felix that he should go to the harbor, to the shore with Jake. Felix sails away, running with the wind towards the harbor. A gust of wind hits Kara while she tries to sail Moana. Weather is disastrous with heavy rain, and Kara wonders if she would ever be able to see Felix and Jake again, as she's terribly caught in the storm. So That's all about chapter number 35. Here is a question. What made Felix and Kara save Jake and Ethan? If you had been at the place of Kara and Felix, would you have decided to put your life at stake and save the lives of bullies? We see that Jake and Ethan had been bullying Kara and then Felix throughout the story. So they were two bullies. They had been teasing Felix and Kara. But once they go in the ocean in order to tease Kara, and they did not realize that there was a heavy storm in the ocean, they just go in the ocean. Kara and Felix, they decide to save their lives. Basically, Kara wanted to save Moana, but definitely she wanted to save Jake as well because he was doing a silly thing. So the first part of the question is, what made Felix and Kara save Jake and Ethan? Definitely it was feeling of empathy. It was kindness on the part of Felix and Kara. They were caring enough. They did not want that Jake and Ethan should lose their life, and especially Kara, she did not want that Moana should be smashed in the ocean. So Felix and Kara knew that they can sail better than Jake. That's why they decided that they will be following Jake and Ethan in Felix's boat. So the second part of the question is, if you had been at the place of Kara and Felix, would you have decided to put your life at stake and save the lives of bullies? So it is student's own choice. It is up to student that whatever he choose. It is student's personal opinion. So that's all about chapter number 35. Once again, I'll request you, if you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive my upcoming videos.